What if I told you that you could create a professional music video that looks like it costs hundreds of dollars in literally less than 30 minutes? And the best part is that you don't even need any video editing experience. I know you might be thinking, yeah, right, music videos are super expensive and complicated. But trust me, I used to feel the exact same way. Like every time I had this amazing song idea or saw those viral AI music videos on TikTok, and I would get so excited, but then reality will hit. The traditional way of making videos is honestly overwhelming. You need cameras, actors, locations, editing softwares that cost a fortune, and don't even get me started on learning all those complicated video editing skills. But here's the thing, I have discovered something totally game changer. OpenArt just released 3 brand new features that literally transform how we create music videos. And I'm talking about going from a simple song to a cinematic professional looking music video in under 30 minutes. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I created 3 different styles of music videos using OpenArt newest features. By the end of this video, you will know the exact step-by-step process to create your own viral-worthy music videos. And honestly, you're going to be obsessed on how easy this actually is. And to start with this, the first thing that you have to do is just go and click the link on my description. Over here, you can go ahead and create your OpenArt account. And once you have created your OpenArt account, it's going to look exactly like this in the section of Home. From here, we're just going to click on the section of Music Video, and I'm going to click in Create. Okay guys, the first feature literally blew my mind, and it's called Style Mode. And it's going to change everything about how you think about music video creation. So here's what it normally happens. I had this super cute electro song about following your dreams, and I wanted visuals that match that dreamy cosmic vibe. With Style Mode, I can literally just upload my song, pick this gorgeous cosmic style from the library, and OpenArt will do all the heavy lifting. And here's exactly how you can do this. And to start with this, you can either go ahead and create your music, or if you already have your music, you can just go ahead and upload it, or you can paste your link. So I'm going to be creating my music using this amazing AI tool, which helped me to generate my music, that is Suno AI. And I'm just going to click in the section of Create. And then from here, we have 2 options. We have the simple and we have the custom. So if you want to make it as simple as possible, over here, you just go and then just write a very simple description of your song. And you can choose the style of inspiration that the AI will take to generate your music. Otherwise, you can go and generate your whole lyrics. And then from here, you can go add your styles and then just add your song title. So for mine, I'm going to keep it on simple. So I'm just going to add my small description over here. And from here, I'm just going to go and choose my inspiration. I want also to be pop and warm tone, and I think something like this will work very well, and I can just click in Create. And now it generated these new 2 options that we can listen to, and we can see if we want to use those ones. Mariana sings to the mirror's glass, her voice like honey, time moves fast, the clock on the wall says it's time to go. And that was our first option, so we can go ahead and also listen to our second option. Mariana sings to the mirror's glass, her voice like honey, but time moves fast. So that also sounds very good. I am even not sure to which one to use because I really like it both. So we can actually use both for the different types of videos that we're going to be doing. And we can go ahead and start with this first option. And to do this, we're just going to go and then just click in this icon so we can get the link of the song. And we can click in Paste Link, and then we're just going to go and paste it, and we can click in Confirm. Now over here, we can go ahead and select the part that we want to generate. So over here, I'm just going to go and then select the best part of my song. And then we can click in Confirm. Now it's already processed my audio, and we can go to the section of style that I mentioned earlier. So as you can see, we have a lot of options that we can choose from. So we have EDM, classical rococo, and we also have Pixar, and all of these options. I don't even know which one to choose. And I think for mine, I'm just going to be choosing this option. Since I think it looks very cool, I want to see what the AI generated for me with this option. And as you can see, you also have the custom, which you can go and describe it, and then the AI will generate it for you. Or you can leave it in auto style, and the AI will decide which one is the best for your song. You can choose from any of these options. And now we can go and select our aspect ratio. So for mine, because I'm going to be generating for a YouTube video, I can go and select this option, but you can also go and generate it for a phone video. But for mine, I'm just going to keep this one. And now we can click in Generate Story. Now it's going to take a few minutes till it generates it. So now our video has been generated, and we can take a quick look. And I think that looks amazing. I was not really expecting that good. I am so shocked of how good this is. I really feel that the music and the graphics really match with each other. But we can always go ahead and make some improvements. And to do this, I'm just gonna go and clicking edit this story. And from here, we can go ahead and make the changes that we need for our video. So to do this is very simple. We can go ahead and do it in the timeline section, but we can also do it in the storyboard. And I think the easiest for me is the storyboard since I can see the image and the video. So for mine, I think, first of all, I would like to change this image because since it talks about a girl, I will want this to be a girl. So I will have to go and retry the image. And to do this, I'm just going to take this prompt and I'm going to go to my best friend ChatGPT and I'll ask it to change it so it generates a woman. And there we go. Now it's going to go and make the changes. So there it is. We can go copy this one and then just change it. You can always ask ChatGPT, or if you have any idea on your mind and you just want to go and add it over here, you can do it completely from scratch. As you can see, I changed it the whole prompt. So now I can go and click in retry image. And here we have our changes. As we can see, it's a woman. And once we have our image, we can go and click in retry the video. And here we have our video. So that looks super cool. I'll make it bigger so we can all see. That looks so amazing. I really like it how it looks. And we have to go and just make sure that this check is in the video that we want to use. And we're just going to make sure that the video is there. So I'm just going to go play it and we can see it over there. What I also like to do is just go ahead and then change some scenes that maybe make more sense on different places on the video. So you can go and then just grab your scene and then just move it around. So you make sure that the video goes as you want to. And once you feel like your video is complete, you can go and click in preview to make a last check. And then you can click in share and you can click in download. Now, if the style mode got you excited, wait until you see the story mode. This is where things get seriously cinematic. You know, sometimes you have a song that tells a story and you can literally picture the music video in your head. That's exactly what story mode helps you create. I used the same song, but this time I wanted to tell a story of a girl chasing her dreams from the bedroom to her first concert with cinematic transitions. And here's how to do it. So we're just gonna go back to the music video. We're gonna click again and create. Then from here, we're just gonna go and paste our music. I just make exactly the same process. I just go, paste my music, select the part that I want to create, and I can click in confirm. Now, OpenArt can create minute by minute. So if you have a 3-minute song, you can go and split your story in these 3 different minutes. And to do this, we're just gonna go and click in story. And then from here, we have 2 different options. We have the auto story and the 1-star story. For the auto story, you can just let the AI decide your character, the story, and everything for your song, or you can go ahead and even select the character that you want for your story. So you can go and even add your own character. For this one, you can even add your own picture or a specific character that you want to add. If you already have generated a character with OpenArt, you can also go ahead and use it. As I did over here, I already have my characters and I can just go and select one. Otherwise, you can also go and use community characters from OpenArt. So if we click on here, we can see in view all, and we have a cake pop star. We have all of these options that we can use for our own video. So for mine, I think I really like it. This one is called Ali, and I can go and use it as well. So I think I'm just going to be trying out with this one since I think it gives the vibe that it's in my song. And over here, something very interesting is that you can even go and allow the AI to make some outfit changes if you want to. So you can even go and put it in no or yes. But for mine, I will put yes to see which different options we get inside my video. And from here, we can go ahead and choose the story topics. For mine, I will make it on futuristic, hip hop. With those 2, I'm good. And if you don't find anything on this section that aligns to your music video, you can even go and grade it. So from here, I can even go and add the story topic that is a girl who pursues her dreams from the bedroom to her first concert. So I can go and then just leave that and then let the AI work with that. And then over here, we just go ahead and choose our aspect ratio again. So I'm just going to leave it in the exact same one. And I can click in create story. So here it is, a video that the AI generated for us. And we can go ahead and take a look. Wow, that looks great. I don't even think I need to make changes because I really like it, the whole story. But we can go and then just make a few changes to make this even better. And we're just going to make exactly the same. We're just going to click and edit this story. So what I actually would like to change is this composition. So I think this would look better if I put some spacing between them and then I just change them. I think this will look great. And maybe this one we can make it a bit less in the video, so the other videos appear a bit more. And for this one, maybe also this one a bit less. This one I think I would like to change. Is the only one that I don't think it's as great as the other one, so we can go and make some changes. And I'm just gonna go again to storyboard, and then from here I'm just gonna go and then select on it. So I'm just gonna go and change it. And then just make sure again that I add the ad and the name of the character, and we can click here retry image. And I think this is better. I'm just gonna go and then just also change the video. And then here we have a new video, which also looks so great. And we can go ahead and change this video for our previous video. And you just do that by clicking on this one, and then you just change it in the timeline as well. And then as we can see, it changed it also in our timeline. And then if it's completely perfect, we can go ahead, click in share, click in download, or you can even go ahead and share it as a file. As you can see, the AI generated scenes that tell a very cohesive story while keeping your character consistent throughout all the video. And it's literally like having a Hollywood director in your computer. Alright, so are you ready for the last and third option of our video mode, which is the singing mode? And it's about to become your new obsession. So if you want that your character actually sing along to your song with perfect lip sync, before OpenArt this would require software and hours of tedious work. But with the singing mode, I uploaded my song, chose my character, and the AI created a video where the character lips move perfectly in sync with every single word. I'm talking about professional lip syncing that looks so realistic that people will think you hire actual performers. The accuracy is honestly incredible. Every beat, every word, every pause, it's perfectly matched. And here's how to create your own lip sync video. And for this option, I will actually use the other song that we got in Suno AI. So I'm just going to click in copy, and then I'm just going to go and paste it over here. And I can click in confirm. And to use this, we're just going to go and select our last option. So we're just going to click in sync. Then from here, we can go and do exactly the same. We can either use a character, or we can even go and use a community character. So for this one, I'm just going to be using Yuki, since it looks very interesting. And we just got to go and select our aspect ratio. For this one, because I want it to be more like a TikTok video, I can go ahead and then just use this aspect ratio. But as you can see, we have three different ones. We have this one, and this one. And then once you have selected, you can click in create story. And here we have our final result. She paints her fears in the dim light. A notebook filled with the words she hides. Each page a word where a voice resides. Oh, Mariana, let the echoes fly. Sing your story to the open sky. Oh, Mariana, your dreams don't die. And as you can see, it's perfect. I don't even think we should change something over here. I think everything looks great. So we can just go and clicking over here, or you can click and share and download in this section as well. The best part is you can use this for covers, original songs, or even just for fun content for social media. The possibilities are literally endless. Now, I know some of you might be thinking this sounds too good to be true, or I'm not creative enough for this. But let me tell you something. I felt the exact same way, and I used to think music videos were only for people with huge budgets and technical skills. But the truth is, creativity isn't about being perfect from day one. It's about having the right tools and make your ideas come to life easily. And here is what's really exciting. Creators are using these exact same features to build their music careers on their music videos. The beautiful thing about these features is that they are designed for people like us, creators who have amazing ideas but maybe don't have the Hollywood budgets or years of technical training. If you can upload a file and click a button, you can create stunning music videos with this tool. It's really that simple. So now, here's what to do next. Click the link on my description and try OpenArt for yourself. They have a free option where you can test these features without any risk. And get this, they're having an incredible Story Week event from 25 August to 7 of September. They can show their talents as a music video director or as a singer. They can create a music video with OpenArt's features, and they can even get up to $1,000 in cash plus 12 months of OpenArt Infinite plan worth $650 plus 3 months of Minimax plan worth $600. You can also sign up for the best explainer video. You can do a tutorial, a knowledge share, wild ideas, and surprise us with the most creative use of explainer video and get the exact same reward. You can also go and create your best character story, and you can go ahead and turn your pets, your toys, and your imaginary characters into the star of a movie and win the exact same prize. Or you can create the best story using a storyboard, where you can make the best use of various functions and show us all you got. And to enroll in these contents, you just have to go and share or retweet the launch Instagram Reel or X post or the TikTok video to be eligible. The duration have to be between 20 and 60 seconds, and any theme, any style, and any concept is welcome. Then you just have to share your video in platforms like YouTube, Instagram, X, or LinkedIn using hashtag of OpenArt and Minimax Story Weeks and tag OpenArt and Helium Minimax. And finally, you also have to go and submit your entry. I will leave the link in my description so you can fill the form and then just submit. And if you're also wondering how you can use these other tools that I mentioned for this contest, you can go ahead and watch my video on how to create a story video in 3 simple steps and how to generate blogs with AI. I have put together all you need to know in those videos, so you can go ahead and win this contest. Every successful creator started exactly where you are right now. The only difference is that they took the first step and started creating. Your ideas deserve to be seen, your music deserves amazing visuals, and you absolutely have what it takes to make it happen. So go and create something beautiful. I can't wait to see what you make. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in another video. Have a great day.